Welcome everybody, we're back with Faye, believe it or not.
Fabulous Fay, I'd like to reintroduce us, please.
Sorry, Fabulous Fay.
She swishes rare for shoulders.
Fabulous Fay.
No, me, not you.
Oh, sorry, you. Right, I guess. I've done an infill, because obviously the models who participate on this YouTube channel, we look after them, we give them maintenance. She's had a fill, and that's the end of the video. I'm only joking.
We give them maintenance, brilliant.
But
one thing you give me is more than maintenance.
They are beautiful, but you're ready for a change, aren't you?
We need something now.
Yeah, something
Just
new.
blank canvas.
So we were literally just having a little look, scrolling through the gram like you do, and we saw this.
I've just realised what they look like though, the nails.
Oh no.
Rhubarb custards. Oh. and I forgot to bring them, didn't I? Those rhubarb and custards. Now I'm really good at it.
Oh my god, they do look like rhubarb custard. I seen this little outfit. Not that I would wear it. Well, actually, I probably would, to be honest.
You would.
I would wear that one. I totally would wear it. Yeah. We are going to do nails that match this. I love the colours, like, melting together in the background. And I love this crazy black on top. I think it just makes everything pop. I do think that looks like she's got a funny belly button there, that little bit. But anyway, I do like it. If anybody wants to purchase this me, then just send me a message. I have no idea where it's from because I've screenshot it and I've lost it forever. So, you know, when you go on Instagram, you go on Discover and you see things. If you don't screenshot them or save them, they're gone forever, because as soon as you go on Discover, it's gone in the abyss of Instagram. So that's what we're going to do. So, clean up solution. Right, we're going to base coat these. Because we want to change up the design, we're going for something new. So we're going for brights. Bright. So base coat, and we're putting this on nice and thin. So notice how I really fan the brush. I know I tell you this all the time, but get that brush fanned. Fan it, so what it does is it drags off the excess. We don't want no build up. We just want a lick of the base coat, just nice, thin. So we're going to do this on all of the nails. Make sure we're nice and thin. So for this design, you will need white out and you will need void. So there are black and white colours. And you will need a selection of pigments. So these are pigment powders. These are from Jellica.
Am I going like this? I feel like they need more pastel colours. Go with me others. You not got any pastel ones? They got the neons. Oh, what?
They go on top of white, don't they?
Don't mean anything to me.
It'll pastelise them.
Not a lot means. It doesn't mean a lot to you. I mean, do you think we could mix them with the white and make them paler?
No.
Maybe.
I could do.
No.
I think it'll take forever to mixing.
Yeah, exactly.
Might be here a while.
Don't really do that.
No.
I mean, if you really wanted to, could you use acrylic powders?
Yeah.
So you've got all those.
But they
some
won't be.
pastely ones.
Because they're not as intense though when they go on.
But she doesn't want it to be. She wants it to be more pastel, doesn't she?
Okay, go neon.
Just giving her a
Go neon.
Well, no,
go neon.
Like,
The danger
oh my
is,
God.
Adam, that you're giving Faye a choice.
well,
It's never a good thing.
do you know what?
Now, if Cheryl Walker was here, she'd be saying...
Compromise out
She says...
Do what you want.
She says, what colour do you like? And then they'll get 5 bottles down or more and she'll go, you're having that one, thank you very much. No choice. Do not give the client choice.
But you've given me choice for 15 years. So the reality of that is you've created the monster. The monster, who is Fabulous Fay, is sitting here.
Okay. I think we go for the neons.
Okay,
just,
neons
just
then.
saying it's
Okay,
summertime and the something is easy. So this is a long canvas. We love a long canvas. So I'm just going to start at the free edge.
And we're going to love it though. Is it going to be too neon? That's what I mean.
It's going to be like Ibiza.
Oh God. Am I ready for
You've
that?
gone from Coachella to Ibiza.
Okay.
In one night. Now that sounds like a pretty fabulous.
Have we only been doing this for one night? Oh my days, it feels like
That
three.
was a great song as well.
Well,
One night. One night in heaven.
I was thinking, we're going to Ibiza.
I went to the fair the other day with Isaac, and I thought to myself, like, if you buy a waltzer, do you just get a CD with it?
One CD.
There's one CD that goes with all waltzers, and it's
always
basically
some
like,
big rave.
If you buy a
it's the
waltzer,
rhythm of the night. Oh yeah, and
Yeah.
it's always every waltzer has the same CD playing, and it skips in the same place as well.
that's hilarious.
But you not find that when you go to the fun
I've never
fair?
been on the waltzers.
Do you know what?
Such a
I
long
don't go
time
on the
since I've
waltzers
got them.
anymore because I just instantly want to throw up.
Anymore,
I don't
I've
go
never
on
gone
them,
on the
but you walk
waltzers.
past
I'd
them,
be
don't you?
spewing.
Yeah.
And you hear the music. It's the same with the Dodgems. There's a Dodgems soundtrack as well.
What is it, Ad?
I don't know. I can't
Come
remember
on,
now,
you were at
but
the fair last week.
I recognise it as soon as I hear it, but I can't tell you what it is.
That's the Dodgem song.
Stay still.
Stay still, Faye.
Immediately breathed in, held my breath.
Because I even got distracted and just started painting the entire thing instead of doing my normal technique of doing the lateral length first. I just started just going for it. Now, when these come out of the lamp, they're going to have a sticky layer. This is really important. You need the sticky layer. Do not wipe the sticky layer. Do not top coat them. Do not do nothing. Do not swear or say anything because you're live on Channel 5. Don't know where that was going. Anyway, we've got the pigments. You need the sticky layer. So we're going to take a Abba Dabba tool. This is the Abba Dabba tool. And we're going to literally, it's going to be so easy. Pick up a little bit of pigment. And push it into that sticky layer. Pretty random.
I was going to say, so will you do orange first?
I'm going to do the orange first just because I've got it. Doesn't really matter where.
Yeah,
or
but you
what
need loads
order.
of daubers in my opinion.
Yeah, I get what you're saying.
You know what I mean? Because will you use a different dauber for a different colour?
Well, I've got a few different sides I can use here. So I've got a few different dabbers. But I've also got like another side I can use. Yeah?
Oh no, we couldn't have gone paler anyway. Just saying. Oh no. No, it needed it. Oh, I'm
Needed what?
so glad I've said no to the going paler.
Because it's gone on top of white and it is a little
Yeah,
bit pale,
no, but it looks really good.
So when you just said before, can we just rewind the tape? 100% implicitly trust you. 100% implicitly trust you.
Yeah, I know. I
You
did say
said
that.
to me.
I did. Yeah, it needs it.
So might have not really trusted me.
Yeah.
But you do now.
I do. Implicitly. Oh no, it needed it. Ibiza vibes, here we come. Yeah, I feel like where you've put that, it's a bit tame on some of them. I feel like it needs to be like on my thumb, loud and proud.
It is loud.
Yeah, it was on some of my nails. Look at my little nail.
I haven't,
Just checking.
you know I haven't done that bit yet. This can be so random, there does not need to be like any rhyme or reason of where everything's gonna go. And I'm just gonna dust off any excess. Now I want to seal them because you'll notice if you do sort of touch them and scratch them, it does come off. So we're going to seal them with base coat and then we will do the black design.
How does it not come off?
How does it not come off?
Like now.
It's been sealed with gel.
How are you not rubbing it off then?
'Cause
Rubbing
it's
all
already
colours together.
stuck. It's stuck onto the
The
gel.
gel just sort of glides over the
And
top
it won't
of
transfer into your pot.
I am going to check that because there's a possibility that it may go on to the brush.
See, I feel like you're going to drag that now. Because you wouldn't
If you
have enough
if you
product
keep working it, it will drag, which is actually quite a cool effect. But that's for another video, Doc.
Okay, sauce.
So I've wiped off the brush onto a lint-free pad, and you can see we have a little bit of transfer, so make sure you're cleaning clean the brush from your base coat before you go back into the bottle. You don't want to contaminate it. So we're going to use Void, which is our black. It's so unbelievably black, and that's what we want. We're going to be using a lily liner. It's quite free, random, sketchy, fine lines and big blocks, so that's what we're going for. Have lots of coffee before you do it so you're super shaky. It's the best way to go. I'm just going to cure that for a sec so I don't smudge it. Pop that in. I am absolutely loving these. Already, these are one of the most enjoyable sets I've done in a long time.
Because they're quick, I'm taking it.
No, I'm being deadly serious.
Oh, sorry.
Because of the colours.
Sarcasm.
No. Because they're just like so free. I love stuff like that. So these are, they're an AB, there's a copper and there's a pink. When they say pink, they like actually not just pink, they like go pink, green, purple.
I've just seen a bit of green
they
in that.
Like got all like the different colours that are in your nails, but they like dark, grungy, I like it. And we've got these caviar beads in different sizes.
Can I have the little ones
dark.
on?
Oh yeah, got to have the dark ones.
Just the diddy.
Yeah, I'm going to top coat them all first. Because I just don't want there to be any imperfections in the surface. So when you're using different sort of gel polish and you've got different heights of the gel polish, by putting a thin layer of top coat on first, then buffing it, you get an even smoother finish.
Oh, it is, it's our beefy.
Right, so we're just going to buff, and all this is going to do, yes, it's going to take off the shine, but it's just going to smooth the surface even more. And it's also going to be a really good base to put the stones on, because it's not a shiny surface anymore. They'll hold on a lot better. So we've just cleaned, I mean, they look good matte, don't they?
No, we're not having a matte. No.
They do look good matte though.
No.
Don't they?
No.
Very nice map, but I would just put them on gloss.
Get out the door. Bye, girl, bye.
Right then, so some stones. Are we just going for the cuticle area?
Yeah.
Yeah. On all of them?
100%.
On all of them?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm using the Crystal Totalis Gem Gel. Place that where you want it.
Oh, it's like perfect, isn't it?
Absolutely perfect, these are for that.
Smash that, kid. Out the water. At park.
At park? I absolutely love them. They are defo festival nails. Zoo Project, Ibiza, here we come. We need any excuse to go to a festival now, and I think that'll look really cool on short nails because they'd look really good on my nails.
Absolutely not.
What do you mean, absolutely not?
No.
I'm sorry.
Only for Faye, Jake.
I've had to put the hair up with a brush, look. I'm
She's sweating.
sweating, the old menopause is...
I don't know why I'm going to do law.
The
Oh
menopause
no, not the M
is
word.
kicking in.
Adam, not the M word
Sorry,
again.
it's factual now. I've had a test.
Proven.
I've been to the doctors, I've had the test done, and it's official. The old menopause is upon me. So feel sorry for me. Early menopause, may I add. Just, you know what I mean? Right, anyway, about the nails. Everything I've used today will be listed below. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram, TikTok, all that shebang. If you've made it all the way to the end, which if you have, I love you, I love you, I love you, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I don't know why you haven't. And the notification bell. And you will hear and get a notification. Just, you know, it'll come up there and go, hello, Kirsty.
Fabulous Fay.
Kirsty's done a new video. You better go watch it. But yeah, I hope you've been entertained and we will see you in the next video. Ta-da, duck.
Way.
You raised your thumb.
You raise your thumb. Oh no, the studio's kicked in. Oh God, she's had it.
Everybody's had a coffee, that's it. Everyone's gone
I ain't
crazy.
had a coffee.
You haven't.
Don't blame.
No, you've got no blame for anything. You're just naturally crazy.
Great. Have we got no studs, Dad?
Apart from me, no.